not sure if it's the wheel itself. It's kinked all the way over. So okay, cool. I know the bearings are bad on this, so the bearings are gonna be brand new in a second. I don't know about the wheel. Anyways, 10 bucks. Got me a set of 4 bearings. I'll put a 15 millimeter onto this. Take this guy out. Taking the pedal out, it's gonna give you access to this. I use an adjustable wrench. Pop this right out. So it comes straight out. Straight it on there. This one has a tooth right there. It's guided on to either this side or the other side. And then this guy here just spins. As you can see, there is that bold spot right there. It's completely flat. Should never be a bold spot. And then if I move this guy around, there's another bold spot right there. So the actual bearings are bad. These are my fresh new bearings. These are the old ones. As far as this troubleshooting, I know that the ball bearings are bad, so I'm gonna definitely speed this up a little bit because I still have to work on the rear tire. I'm gonna clean everything up. Everything is gonna get lubed up, and I'm gonna put it all back together with brand new ball bearings. Now, when I get down to testing it and checking this out, everything works as far as the ball bearings, but now it's time to work on the rear tire. All you need is a 15 millimeter adjustable wrench if you have one, or the actual tool that goes in there, and a flat head screwdriver. These 3 tools, you'll be able to replace your bearing. If it's broken, identify it, and then send it. And this thing is rolling. First thing first, spray it down a little bit, clean it off. $17 came out, and most likely I'm gonna take out that other $17. On this side we have smaller bearings and a cap. This is the mechanism, holds this together. Rides and sits like that. Took that out first, this out second, this, that. So that's the back of these bearings, because they don't have a solid backing right there. They're kind of open, unlike the other one. On that notch right there, use my little pry bar to kind of get this spring out and around. It's got little notches there, so I'm gonna use that to pick through it, bring it out. Finally, it's got another notch there, and pop it right out. This pops up, I'm able to clean that. My bearing is gonna sit right there, bearing is sitting right there, and that way I can take this, falls in place through those slots, be able to clean that, clean this. I can hear that grime on there. This goes upside down, all these nasty buildup. All I'm gonna do is just literally wipe it off. So just like that. Since I'm putting it back, I'm going to use a little bit of grease. Some grease in there. Some brand new grease in here. Put this in sideways. Does a way better connection. Grease in here. This facing outward. It's got notches right there where you want to put it in. This, all you're gonna do is you're gonna press it. You want to hold that notch right there in place. And you're gonna use this little pry bar and get in place like that. And then see the little tip there? Slap it in there. So now that it's cleaned up and greased up, it's working a lot better. I'm gonna grease this ball bearing up pretty good and put it back in. So this side goes right in there. I just got a ball bearing. So it'll look prior to it. I'll go ahead and clean it out. Bearings here. They're just a little wore out, but that's normal. There we go. Slap these on there. Move this up just a little bit. Slap that on there. Slap this on here. So this is spring loaded and it's got threads. So just grab these two little sharp edges here and I just turn. I assume this portion here is going to lock in place with this portion here because it's got kind of beveled edges. I'm going to be able to turn this until I torque it in place. And plus it's going to have a nut on the other side. It's going to tighten this up, keep it in place. Go ahead and slap this on. Move this up just a tad bit. These are going to lock in place just like that. But they're going to go in first. These two notches here are going to line up with that notch there and there. This notch here, that notch there, line there. So, freely goes forward, when you come back, it breaks. Better. Just a little dirty as far as the rear wheel. Clean all that up. Grease it up. and send it.